In the heart of the mystic woods, a warrior princess and her loyal dragon paused as the air shimmered with an enchanting melody. Above them, a radiant songbird, its feathers glowing with every color of dawn, beckoned them deeper into the forest. Entwined by the song, they followed, weaving between ancient trees and glowing mushrooms. The woods pulsed with hidden magic, fairies flitted in the shadows, and curious creatures peeked from behind twisted roots. Trusting the songbird's call, the princess and her dragon pressed on, hearts open to the wonders and secrets that lay ahead.